Let go of fear. Choose love. Awaken your higher power.
So many of us are not in a feeling mode. We're in a thinking mode, in our mind mode. We have 10,000 thoughts a day. How many of those thoughts are bringing us to a higher power? We have a choice. We can choose to go left in the love mode or to go right in the fear mode. It's our choice. So let's choose right now to feel our hearts as we breathe in. Feeling this music, this space. Feel the people around you. Feel your wholeness. Join us, the last song on the list, and feel the sounds of the song as you sing it. Notice how it makes you feel to sing.
Thank you for joining us for Awaken Your Higher Power. For upcoming workshops, log on to michellealva.com and taocenter.net.